Rolekore oso Clea, Jimime Naw Esther, and in today's video I will be doing a get to know me. So I have been in the music industry for a very long time, but a lot of few people don't know about me and who I am. So I thought that this would be a perfect chance for you guys to get to know me more. So let's get into it. Okay, so first off, what is your name? Well, my name is Naw Esther, or my current name is Naw Pamela. And most of you guys already know that, so I don't need to add more to it. Next up, we got how old are you? So this is actually one of the most common questions I've gotten, and I have gotten a lot of different assumptions about my age. So here's the truth, guys. I am actually 17 years old. And just a fun fact beside that, I was only 15 years old when the song Cha-Cha Sumurdo and Te 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 was released. So there you go, guys. That's my real age that a lot of you people have been wondering throughout the years. Next question is, what's your background/ethnicity? I am originally half Gnya and half Po. So my background is that I was born and raised abroad. And there have been a few people thinking that I've been born and raised in a refugee camp in Thailand or in current state and so on. But that's not the case. I was born and raised abroad. Question number 3. Where do you live right now? So as I mentioned before, I was born and raised abroad, and it's really funny because I think that 90% of the people that I have came across, they've assumed that I currently live in America, the US. However, that is not the case. I actually live in Europe right now. I am not based in America. I have never been to America. I am based in Europe. So that is probably another shocking fact for you guys. Alright, how tall are you? So at first I didn't expect this question, but I still chose to have it in this video because I thought that it would be fun just to let you guys know. And the truth is, I am not really sure how tall I am because it's been a few years since I measured. But the last time I measured, I was around 168 centimeters. But that was 2 years ago. So it's still unclear how tall I am, but I am somewhere between 170 and 168 centimeters tall. Alright, next up we got, do you have a nickname? The answer is no, I don't have a nickname. I just go by the name Naw Esther or Esther. Continuing on, we got, what religion are you? I assume that most of you guys can already guess what religion I belong to, and that is Christian. I have been Christian my whole life. I was born and raised as a Christian, so there's nothing more to add to it. What's your zodiac sign? So my birthday is at the end of October, so that makes me a Scorpion. I believe that people born at the end of October and in the beginning of November is a Scorpion, if I'm right. What's something people misunderstand about you? There's 2 stuff that people misunderstand before. One of them I have already mentioned, that is living in America when I don't even live near America. And the second is that people believe that I am Korean, Japanese, or Chinese, but mostly Korean. I've never been to Korea or Japan. I am 100% current. So the next question is more about music, and that is, what digital audio workstation are you using? So if you watched my live stream from a few weeks ago, you would have known that I am using Logic Pro X. All the music, recording, everything is made in Logic Pro X. Okay, next question is gonna be very interesting and very fun to answer because I've gotten a lot of people asking me this, and that is, what editing software are you using? So what's actually really shocking is that all of my music videos and videos that I've edited on my channel and Facebook is edited by me myself and no one else. And the editing software I'm using is DaVinci Resolve Studio. So when it comes to being free, DaVinci Resolve is one of the greatest editing software that I've used. So before I started editing my green screen and VFX music videos, I actually used the free version, and it actually offers a lot of tools, which is great. However, I wanted to step up the game and take everything to another level, so I did purchase the studio version. How did you learn music production? So the thing is, I never took any courses or classes when it came to music production. I was lucky that my father already had a home studio, so he taught me all about his knowledge about music production and so on. So I'm really grateful for that. And also, I did produce my first song when I was around 14 years old, or 13. Yeah, I think it was 13 that I produced my first song called I'll Set You Free. Alright, how do you shoot a music video? Okay, so this might be very shocking for you guys, but when I shoot my music videos, I'm just doing it all by myself. So what I do is I place the camera in the center, I click on record, I run in front of the camera, and then I do my actions, I do my stuff, and then when I'm done, I run back to the camera and I just hit the record button again to save the clip. And my most popular songs have actually been recorded in this room right here. So as you guys can see in the background here, I got my green screen. And you also might wonder why I don't choose to hire other people or stuff like that. And the thing is, not only do I save my financials, but I also get my own experience, which is a great way to learn from your mistakes and improve. So how long does it take to finish a music video? Obviously, the finishing period depends on what I'm shooting and how long the song is. For an example, most of my popular songs, like these, that include green screen compositing and a lot of VFX, they took around 1 week to both shoot and edit, and that is excluding the music. So everything in total, with the music, mixing, mastering, the film shooting, and the editing, takes usually around 2 weeks, I would say. If it's just a simple music video where there's not a lot of VFX effects, or it's no green screen compositing, it only takes 1 week in total, including the music, of course. And you might also wonder why I have been slow with uploading music videos on my channel. And the truth is, I am studying at the same time right now. It is exam period, especially before summer break right now. So it's been kind of hard to do both music and study for my exams. However, soon summer break is coming. It's just a few weeks left. So I just want to let you guys know that I've been planning to release a lot of new songs, and also you can get updated on my Facebook. What is the hardest part of doing your work? So the most hardest part of my work is probably shooting the music video, because I have to do, a lot of makeup. I have to fix my hair, choose my outfit, and just that takes a few hours already. And then I also have to shoot with different clothings, and that also takes a few hours. So yes, shooting the music video can take from around a few hours to a few days, depending on how many outfits I want to include and how I want the results of the music video to be. And the next question is, which is your most popular song? So now when I think about it, it's really hard to just say one specific song because more than one of my songs have gone viral. So the first song that actually made me gain popularity was Murdo. And then just a few months later, I released the pop song Te Te Te, which also gained a lot of popularity. And fast forward, we got songs like Naletha, and we also got Palo Ke Besu. So to sum up, it's really hard to say which one is my most viral and popular song, since a few of my songs have gone viral. We got a few questions left, and that is, so what inspired you to start what you do? So as I mentioned, I started music production and video editing at a really young age. I was around 13 when I produced my first song, and video editing I started when I was probably around 11 or 12, and those were just simple edits and music productions. However, throughout the years, I've improved, I've learned, and here I am today with the knowledge and skills that I got. So at the beginning, I didn't really have a clear purpose or inspiration, but as the years went by, I noticed that my videos and my content started to gain popularity, and through that, my purpose kinda got created. So thanks to that, I continued doing my content and what I was doing. So what truly inspired me to do what I'm doing today is you guys. So I want to share love and care through music with you guys. So I'm really grateful for all of the support that you guys have given me throughout these years. So we have come to the last question, which is more about me as a person, and that is, how would you describe your personality outside social media? So first thing first, I am not an introvert nor an extrovert. I would say that I am somewhere in between. It depends mostly on the situation and what is happening around me, and depending on that, I adjust myself to what fits in the most. I'm also an observer and a good listener. So that is just a little short about my personality outside social media. And yeah, that was all of the questions of today's Get to Know Me video. I hope all of you are doing well and yasure. And if you have any further questions, you can ask me in the comments down below, or you can write privately to me in Messenger. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope that you know me better now. And thank you for all of your support, words, and kindness. I truly appreciate it. Thank you so much. Bye bye, guys.